In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write and publish a blog post on WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. WordPress is one of the most powerful and popular content management systems in the world, and learning how to properly create and publish a blog post is an essential skill for any blogger, business owner, or content creator. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, how to use the block editor, and how to publish your post with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by going to your website URL followed by /wp-admin. Once you log in with your username and password, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website, where you can manage posts, pages, media, and settings. From here, make sure you are either creating a new post or opening an existing draft that you want to work on. Next, inside the WordPress editor, locate the block inserter. The block inserter is usually represented by a plus icon at the top left of the editor or within the content area itself. Click on the block inserter to open up all the available blocks you can add to your post. Blocks are the building pieces of WordPress content, including paragraphs, headings, images, videos, and more. Using blocks makes it easy to design your blog post without any coding. Once the block inserter is open, click on Patterns. Patterns are pre-designed layouts that allow you to quickly structure your blog post. These are extremely useful if you want a professional-looking design without spending time manually arranging blocks. Patterns can include text sections, image layouts, call to action sections, and more. Selecting patterns helps you speed up your content creation process. After clicking on Patterns, choose Templates. Templates give you ready-made designs that you can insert directly into your blog post. Browse through the available templates and select one that best fits the style of blog post you want to create. Once selected, the template will be added to your editor, and you can start customizing it by replacing the placeholder text with your own content, adding your own images, and adjusting headings as needed. Now, take a moment to review your blog post. Make sure your title is clear, your content is well written, and everything looks good in the editor. When you're happy with your post and ready to make it live, click on the Publish button. WordPress may ask you to confirm your settings one last time. Simply review them and click Publish again. Congratulations, you've successfully written and published a blog post on WordPress. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to write and publish a blog post on WordPress using the block editor, patterns, and templates. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.